Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button and turn on post notification for more educational videos like this. As I said earlier in the first video, we'll be solving questions on pure mathematics textbook for advanced level by Bunday and Mohammed. So in the previous video, we solved the first question. So in this video, we'll solve the second question, and the question is this. So we have the question here. We have to solve this quadratic equation. We are given the equation x squared minus 5x minus 11 equals to 0. To solve this equation, we can use different method. Solving quadratic equation has a lot of method. We have the factorization method. We have the completing the square method, completing the square method. We have the formula method also, which we call the almighty formula, the formula method. When you want to solve quadratic equation, the first method to always try is factorization method. But not all quadratic equations is factorizable. But in this case, let's try factorization method. We have x squared minus 5x minus 11 equals to 0. So let's see if it has the factor. So when looking at this question, we can see that it doesn't have a factor because we have 1 times minus 11. Multiply the coefficient of x squared by the constant, and that's minus 11. So we look at the factors of minus 11, none of them will give you minus 5. So we can't use factorization method to solve this. But we can actually use formula method. Let's use formula method to solve it once, whereby generally our quadratic formula is ax squared plus bx plus c to be equal to 0. This is the general form of quadratic equation. So if you compare the coefficient, you can see that our a is 1, our b is negative 5, and our c is negative 11. So using this, we can solve this question using formula method. And what's the formula method? It is x to be equals to negative b plus or minus square root of negative b all square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So if we substitute all our factors, a is 1, b is negative 5, and c is negative 11. So let's substitute that here. We're going to have x to be equals to negative 5, this negative here, and our b is negative 5, plus or minus square root of negative 5 all square minus 4 times a, our a is 1, times c, which is minus 11, divided by 2a, which is 2 times 1. So our x will be equals to negative and negative become positive, which is 5, plus or minus the square root of minus 5 whole square is 25. Negative times negative is positive. Then 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 11, that's 44, divided by 2. So we're going to have, so 5 plus or minus square root of 25 plus 44 is 69 divided by 2. Now it is square root of this 69. Since we can't find the square root of this 69, that means this question is not factorizable. And that's why it is not factorizable, because we can't find the square root of this. So that means our answer x will be equals to, we are going to split this 5 plus root 69 over 2, or 5 minus root 69 over 2. So if you use a calculator, you're going to have x to be equals to, you're going to have 6.65 or negative 1.65. So this is the root of this equation. It has two roots because it's a quadratic function, so it's going to have two roots. So thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not subscribed. See you in the next video.